Good afternoon, viewers. Viewers birds view their nest very skillfully. See how skillfully this nest has been woven by viewer birds. It's very long one, and see how it has been built. See, this is the entry. This is the entry of the nest, and the water can easily dribble down instead of letting the birds become drenched. How they are protected because of their own skill. Hats off to the skill or art of making this nice nest. Yes. Viewers, if you like this video, please like, subscribe, share and comment. Thank you very much. See you.